What's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton, and welcome back. And for all you all who are new to my channel, my name is Dalton. This is my YouTube channel, Dalton My World. And I gotta tell you, this is a variety channel. Okay. Now, what we're gonna talk about today, we're gonna review and do a quick unboxing of the Xfinity prepaid internet startup kit for the year 2023. That's right. Now, show it to you here. I'm not going to delay. Here you go, you see? That's the new box. Okay. Instructions are in English and in Spanish. Okay. And I have opened the box so I won't be struggling with it, and I can show you what comes in it. But before I do that, let's quickly go over some of the things here. Okay. When you buy you're buying a refurbished modem, but it's almost like new. Okay. And it's $80. Now, this is prepaid internet. Basically, you can get two different services. You can buy for 7 days of internet for $15 or 30 days of internet for $45. Now, when you're buying this for $80, excluding tax, this is what you're getting. 30 days of service, okay? That means 30 days of internet service comes with it. And if you do the math, normally that'd be $45. So if you deduct $45 away from the $80 that you're spending, and you also get to keep the modem's yours, okay? You're buying the hardware, okay? Basically, you're buying this modem for $35. And see if you can find that on the internet anywhere and get internet with it. Okay. Now, it is it's home internet and Wi-Fi, so you can connect it directly to your system. Like your computers, laptops, MacBooks, or you can just use Wi-Fi. All right, and the Wi-Fi is really, really good. Okay, I maxed it out on 4 devices at one time, and I didn't have a slowdown. Okay, so it is self installation, but it's super quick and easy. Okay, the installation for this right here. Spanish and English. Okay. The installation for this is quick and easy. I did it. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay. All right. Now, you get all the equipment in this box. Okay. Everything you need, all in one kit right here. Okay. Now, this is the infinityprepaid.com. You can go there and you can check if you qualify, if you want to do it online, okay, and see if it's in your area. Save your time, okay. Also, you go there and you can create an account, and with that account, you can use their really, really progressive app. It'll let you do everything from changing your password to restarting your whole entire modem just from that app. They have really upgraded the app. Okay. Now, this is some questions. I'm going to answer some questions real quick that has been asked to me. Okay. You see, that's a pretty baby right there. All right. one of the main two questions that have been asked for me, and I'll get to opening this up real quick, is do they accept ACP? Yes, now they do accept ACP, and when you get ACP, when you qualify for ACP, American Connectivity Program, okay, and the other one as well, the BBE, I believe it is. Um, when you qualify for that, okay, then your monthly bill goes down from $0 to $15 max. Okay, that's right, $15 a month max on your monthly bill for internet. Okay, and that's pretty good. That's one of the questions that was asked by me from my subscribers and viewers. And yes, they do accept ACP now. Okay, also they asked me how does it work when it comes to gaming. It works decent on old games, medium games, and I've had people tell me, some of my subscribers tell me that they connected to their Roku, they connected to their uh, Xbox, and it worked just fine for them. So, and those are my subscribers told me that because they tried it out themselves. Okay, tech support's awesome. Okay, tech support is the same type of tech support you get if you went with Verizon, if you went with Comcast. If you have a major problem, they will send a technician out to your house for free. It's all part of what you pay for. Okay, this is not some type of ghetto internet. This is really good stuff here. Okay, now unboxing real quick. Open this up. What you get, you're going to get a starter kit. Okay, this is in English and in Spanish. Okay, and I'm sure they have in other languages too if you request it. Okay, now do I don't want y'all seeing that. There we go. The modem. Beautiful, isn't it? That's right. There we go with the modem. Let's see. Side view. Good condition. Front view. Get that. Let's see. Get your cable. Yes, sir. This is your power plug. And you get this. This is what you use to connect directly. If you don't want to use Wi-Fi, this is what you use to connect directly with your computer, laptop, etc. Okay? And in the box, they even tell you also, see if you can see that, how to get online. Okay? English and Spanish. So they help you in every way they can. I have been using Xfinity prepaid internet since March 2020. Okay? They don't do credit checks, so it doesn't matter if you have an old bill with Comcast, Verizon, and all that. They don't do that. They could care less because this is coming through Boost Mobile, and you get it online or you can get it through Boost Mobile. Okay, you can go up there and get it, or you can buy it online. Now, there's two versions you can get. You can get the $80 one, which gives you the option to only to have buy just for 7 days, or you can buy the 30 days. But if you get their special deal they have, which only going to cost you $45 for the modem, but you still have to pay. I mean, you get 30 days free, but you don't get that option of just paying for 1 week or 30 days. You're going to have to just flat rate flat out pay 30 days. If you get that promotion they have to give you that modem for 45 bucks. But if you get the $80 modem, you get that flexibility and that option, which I love because I love sometimes disconnecting from the internet. Okay? Taking a step back, disconnecting from the internet, do some reading, chilling out instead. You know, get back out into the world and debriefing. So that's me. I have a short-term memory, so I'm a short attention span. So I like, I can only really deal with the internet so much and all this other stuff, and then I have to take a break because I just I get bored. But that's me. But you have that option, okay? You have that flexibility, and for the price you're getting this, if you just add up the price, if you know you pay $45 a month for for this internet, but you're paying $80 for that modem, and you get 30 days of internet included. Okay, it's awesome. Tech support is awesome. Now the speed is very fast. They have upgraded their speed so that they are even kill with their competition. Okay, so you can use this as a work at home internet. Yes, you can. Okay, you can use it on your Roku. Okay, app your your what is that, Fire Stick. You can use it for all that. It works. Okay, and again, no credit check. Could care less you have an old past bill with somebody because you're going through Boost Mobile. You're not going through Comcast, even though they're riding on back of Comcast, which is awesome because in the winter you want some internet. Okay, in the fall and the winter you want some internet. Okay, because you get snowed in and the four walls start coming crashing in. It's nice to have some type of internet so you can have some type of entertainment. All right, and you get to see my pretty face. Anyway, that is my review and unboxing of the Xfinity prepaid internet starter kit for 2023. And the modem has been upgraded. Okay, it has 2.4 gigahertz and the 5.0 gigahertz. Yeah, it's been upgraded so you can get it all, baby. All right, that's right. And it works. All right, and I guess I'll wrap to y'all later. I ask you to subscribe, share this with other people because you never know who needs it. Okay, and give my video, any of my videos you like, a thumbs up. And I ask for your comment. If you have the newer version, do you like it? How is it working for you? All right, comment in the description box below, and I shall wrap to y'all later. Peace.